Hello, myself Sharad Bhardwaj, people know me as a Blue Painter of India. I welcome all of you from different countries, from all over world artists from different art galleries. Myself belongs from Udaipur, Rajasthan in India. My date of birth is 25th October 1985, date of birth of Pablo Picasso also. And my identity is I am working only in blue colors in all my artworks, so it gives me a unique identity as a blue painter. People recognized me here now as a blue painter of India because from childhood I am using blue colors in my artworks. And one small thing is in childhood nobody parents will give such a expensive colors, and I can't recognize in black and white TVs that time how. So used blue indigo from our Indian bathrooms, from for cleaning clothes and toilets and all. So I used lots of things in all my artworks, so it comes out now in my paintings in big form. So everywhere, wherever you see my artworks, you feel blue is there. So it is my identity as a blue painter. I welcome you, all of you. So, as a blue painter, how I start my portfolio? Let me introduce. I did a bachelor degree in fine arts from Rajasthan School of Art in India, from Jaipur. So, and master from Karnataka Chitrakala Parishad, Bangalore, in south part from India. I did lots of series works like melting sculpture of Ganesha, underwater series, life in Udaipur series, universe series, blue pot series, rural lover series. But one of my best favorite artworks are belongs to underwater series. I did lots of artworks on underwater series, in the climate of surrounding underwater, inside the sea, and these things, and one of my artwork on underwater series, searching fish, got state award, prestigious award in India also. And lot many of my artworks are in very big sizes, like one of my artwork is India's biggest circle canvas painting. It's 16 feet circle canvas painting, the blue elephant, one blue Jesus, it's very big one, blue eagle also. Many in many film festivals, many prestigious museum, there are many collections in private sector also. And one more thing is I did lots of artworks from social subjects also, but the basic theme is in all my artworks, blue is common thing, and people recognized me as a blue color. Everywhere, anywhere, if blue color is they they look blue color, they recognized me, might be it's a Sharat painting. So this is the biggest thing for me. And another thing is lots of webinars, more than 40-45 interviews, more than 250 articles, more than 150 certificates I had. And this all things are very great for me. And I got lot of respect, a lot of new students also wants to write a thesis or PhD kind of on my artworks also. So these are the things give me energy to do such a hard work. And I'm always trying to do to connect my artworks with different kinds of art dimensions, like Egyptian walls, like museums, like some types of caves, tunnels, many balloons, many things. I'm not, I don't want to just stop my art only in canvas. I want do to brush, to paint blue color in many forms. So this is the biggest thing for me. And so I'm always trying to connect everywhere. I'm much more active on social media also to spread my art in all over the world. So these are the things to make me a blue painter. And blue painter is also blue is also a feeling of open-minded, love, peace, these things. And I'm always trying to connect my blue colors with the different sectors in different types of art forms, like music also. One of brilliant musician from England, Darren Sangeeta, connected recently my paintings with the digital visualization in background music, in with mythological music. So these are many things I did many big artworks also. I did lots of. First, I exhibited my artworks in Jawahar Kala Kendra, Jaipur. Blue Paint. The show name is Blue Painter, and after that, I did many interviews also. First, my interview come out in Doordarshan of India, national television. It's a 1 hour show, live show. So people recognized me, and Times of India news paper gives me identity as a boy in blue first time. So these are the things which makes me as a blue painter, and people giving such a lots of love, respect in Indian contemporary art. As an artist, I'm working currently on my big artworks, especially on canvas. I'm doing underwater series works. Lots of pigments I'm using. to do texturing and all are in blue colors, which is my own identity. And other parties, I'm planning to do solo show as soon as possible in coming months in Delhi, if COVID will again recover. No, and naturally, all over world conditions are little bad, so it cover if whenever it comes good, soon as soon I do solo show in front of my art lovers once again. And I request all art buyers to buy more and more real artworks, original artworks, to decorate your home and places, because it promotes original artist a lot. If you are buying prints and all, it's very difficult to survive, especially this kind of time, to for especially for other artists and all. So I request all art buyers from throughout the world to buy more and more artworks, so more and more artists will rise and grow, and our world will make so beautiful as soon as possible. So these are the things, and I hope you like this all my blue painters. If you believe me, guys, really, I'm one of my biggest desire from my childhood is to visit Egypt, because I really love the mummies, this Egyptian sculptures a lot. From I saw lots of sculptures, beautiful sculptures in movies also. So I really make a desire to visit Egypt as soon as possible. And one more thing is, Egyptian civilization is very very friendly near Indian civilization, because there are lots of common things in Indian and Egyptian civilization. There about mythology after death, like in India also, Haridwar, Rishikesh, many places are belongs such kind of atmosphere, like after death, mythological kind of things, So I'm very about Egyptian pyramids and all. I'm very much more excited to visit Egypt. And one of my first international gift from in I got in international symposium in India from Adil Mustafa, from one of my artist friend from Egypt also. And one more thing is, in Egypt, artworks blue is color using with the gold, respected gold work. So I always feel that it's a great honor for me that in Egypt civilization sculptures, blue is using as a royal form. So that's connected to me, my feelings, my artworks. So this some things come out that blue is really so royal color. And as a blue man, as a blue artist, blue painter, which is my own identity, I really come soon Egypt as soon as possible, and explore my artworks in Egypt also. So these are the common things, and Egypt is really great. So finally, I thanks a lot to especially the television director and program gallery around the world and director Ismail Bakr to give me a prestigious platform to spread my artworks throughout the world. Hope all people like my artworks, Blue Painter artworks, and we surely get together. We get together as soon as possible in all over world with my art, with my paintings, with my artworks. Thank you so much, Egyptian television, who telecast me on their platform, and all Egypt and all over world members, art lovers. Thank you so much for this prestigious platform.